Hi, this is Silent Solution. Today we are to see how to GitHub repository to delete. This is my Silent Solution here, Linux Cloud and DevOps related video. You can see and visit my channel and subscribe my channel. Here is the Linux Red Hat exam preparation portion and DevOps IT related many videos you can see and visit my channel. Let's go. First of all, we are logging our GitHub account. This is my GitHub account. Let's go my repository. It's like we're delete our apps1, click apps1 and right click settings, and last one here is danger zones. Delete this repository. Right. Type here is I understood. Just type this understood and here is click. This is my password. I think our F1 is delete. This is here is no F1 my repository. You can your repository delete. Thanks for watching.